Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to unbox this mobile phone realme narzo N55. So friends, before we unbox this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so friends, here you can see it is the 128 GB. Okay, and here on the back side you can see 33-watt super VOOC charge, and here you can check from here. Okay, the what you want to know about the importance of realme narzo N55. I ordered the prime black color. Okay, rupees it's you can see from here everything brand also. Okay, just pause the video and you can check it. Okay, so let's unbox it, and here how I love the box color. Okay, here I'm going to unbox. So friends, here is the mobile phone. Let's check out the mobile phone. And let's put it outside, I mean here on the side, and let's check inside the box. Okay, so inside the box you can see fill the power. Okay, and here let's check it. Here is the paint. I finished to open from before only the box, but I'm just re-unboxing because I have to check. Okay, that's why I just check it. Okay, and here it is some manual guides. Okay, you can check the manual guides if you want to check the safety guide. Okay, and here is the ejector paint. Okay, it has given like this, it's good. And this is the wire. Okay, here's the cable wire. Here it has given, you can check from here, DL143 cable, G140 made in China. Okay, and this is the adapter, you can check the adapter. You can check here the what. Okay, 100 to 24 to 40 watt. Okay, and you can check from here. Okay, how much is the watt adapter. Okay, and now let's check the mobile phones, how it is about the display, camera, sound, how. Okay, let's check the mobile phone, camera, sound and menu. Okay, here is the mobile phone and the mobile phone quality. Okay, let's check the quality. Here is the mobile phone, you can see it's given button type camera. Okay, see friends. Okay, it's very smooth here, you can see here. And on the side you can see friends buttons. Okay, this on the down, this volume button is on the upside. And here you can see this one, speaker, charger, mic. Okay, here is the for to insert this SIM card. Okay, and let's switch on the mobile phone. Okay, you have to set up your mobile phone friends. If you don't know how to set up your mobile phone, you can check my video. I'm not going to show you how to set up it because it will be too long. Okay, the video will be too long, that's why I'm not going to set up. You can check the video how to set up the new phone. Okay, so friends, here I have complete to set up. So friends, you can set up. Okay, after setup you can see like this it will be. Okay, the screen will be like this. And here friends, if you want to know about the camera, let's click some photos. Okay, here is this sim1 or sim2, so cancel. Let's open the camera, agree and continue. After that, capture some photos here. Okay, click this too. So friends, here you can see this is your photos. Okay, how it's the camera. Okay, it's too dark in my room. Okay, that's why the capturing it's not so much good, but it's takes so clearly. See, in the night also it can take so nicely. See, you can see it. Okay, it's very nice. I love the camera of this mobile phone. Inside the camera, if you want to know what it's night, street, video, photo, portrait, more option, slow motion, time lapse pro, everything it has given. Okay, inside the camera. And if you want to know about the sound, then let's move on setting. Okay, here setting somewhere else. If you don't find, then you can search it also. Here's the setting, and I want to show you about this sound. How is this sound? Okay. Here's the ringtone. Statement use allow. Let's check the first one. So friends, the sound also it's clear and good. And now let's check the quality. Okay, so to check the quality you have to connect your Wi-Fi. Okay, because we have to move on the, we have to move on. You can on the mobile data also. See, I have on the mobile data, but it's not turning on. Then you can check it. Roaming data, okay. And here just click on roaming data and click on open. Okay, agree and continue. Click on allow. Then now you can check your YouTube. And click on the search bar, search for the video. Okay, here's the video. You can check the quality. I'm just showing you the quality. Okay friends, here you can see quality is good. Left, right, up, down, you can check. Okay, everything is good. I love the quality. You can make big or small. You can check from here. Advanced 180, 720, 420, 1080 here. And you can select from here the biggest also. See, will apply to your current video. So this will apply to our current video. This will not apply here. Okay, so let's check another quality 7200 will apply to your current video. Okay, so here is the quality it's applying right now. Okay friends, so you can apply like this, especially the 4K video, no, it will apply this one. Okay, so the quality is good. You can see the quality how it was. Okay, so it is good. You can buy this mobile phone. Okay, realme narzo N55. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.